My baby loves cheese.
Lilly and Tiani.
Hi everybody, my name is Lily and this is Tiani, my baby sister. And today we're gonna make pizza. First, you can have whatever you want, but we're gonna use prawns, onions, cheese, capsicum and mushrooms. First I'll do my babies with sauce. Do you want some sauce?
Yes.
Okay. Lot.
Prawn. Lots of corn. Mom, lots of corn.
Tiani, wait, stop.
Lots of corn.
No, stop. You can make your pizza. You can do some mushroom.
Yes.
Then I'll do mine. There we go. The first thing that I'm going to put on is prawns. My baby sister loves prawns and onion. Maybe that's a bit too big too. Lots. Hey? Lots. Prawns and onion. I need to get some capsicum.
This one.
The green capsicum. Now I'm going to use green and red capsicum. That's yummy! My baby loves cheese. Onion, and a bit of cheese. Put it tight. And now here's my pizza. First we have to preheat the oven, then put the pizza in. Now we put them inside the oven. Okay, there we have our pizza in the oven. Now we're gonna clean up this mess again, like what I said in the cupcake video. Okay. If you didn't watch the cupcake video, press this button. Sorry. You stay there. Okay. Where's Terry? Good. Where's my baby? Can you see her? Tell me if you see her. Is she behind me? Okay, I'll look. Where is she? And put all the things aside because we're going to do another one after. the other pizza's ready and we finish it. Onion and capsicum. Good. Capsicum roll. And then we put that all aside. Okay, I'll get a tissue. Wait. Hey! I play with my baby sister all the time. Hi everybody, and this is my game, Dominoes. Ah! Mama, can you knock them? And hi. Never mind. Okay, what should I draw? There we go. Okay. Here's my picture, everybody. Wait. I don't know how to draw birds because I'll just do this. There. Okay. Why is this on the wrong? Did you do this?
Yes.
And now the pizza's ready. Come on, let's go and eat some. Come on, I'll check the pizza. You can keep looking at my baby. Our pizza's ready. And be careful because it's going to be very hot. Oh. The first bite. Hot.
Mama, cut out. Some. You run. Some you run.
Okay, here we go. This pizza is delicious. Hi. Is it delicious? Can you say delicious?
Delicious.
Again?
Delicious.
Can you do this? Delicious.
Delicious. Delicious. Delicious. Delicious. Delicious.
We can eat some. Here you go, everybody. You can share some. Delicious. This is my cooking class. Bye, everybody. Bye-bye. Can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, everybody.
Bye-bye. Delicious.
And don't forget to subscribe. Give a thumbs up.
Bye-bye.